Okay, we are multiplying 987 times 46. And my first step is going to be to draw a rectangle big enough to fit my biggest number, or the number with the most digits. So since I have 3 numbers, I need 3 columns. So I like to start by just writing down the numbers separated to get my spacing as good as possible. And going down, I tell the students to leave 4 lines to keep it as even as possible, but it's not necessary. Column for the 9, for the 8, for the 7. Here on the right side, we're going to do the same thing with 46. 4, 6, and we're going to split that into 2 rows. Row for the 4, row for the 6. The next thing I would like to show you is that this whole box here belongs to 9 times 4. This one over here, the whole box belongs to 8 times 4. And the last one on top belongs to 7 times 4. So if you notice, we didn't do anything to the bottom or with the 6, only with the 4. Then at the bottom, we have this box, which belongs to 9 times 6. This one right here belongs to 8 times 6. And the last one belongs to 7 times 6. But before we can multiply anything, we have to draw lines at a diagonal connecting the corners. So we have corner, corner here, and we're going to extend it a little bit. Corner, 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 we're going to connect those. And we're going to continue that all the way across. Now we're ready to multiply. So when we do this first green box, 9 times 4 is 36. So because I have a number in the tens place value, the 3, and a number in the ones place value, I'm going to separate it. Tens place value on top, ones place value at the bottom, 36. 8 times 4 is 32. 3 on top, 2 on the bottom. 7 times 4 is 28. 2 on top, 8 on the bottom. 9 times 6, 54. 5 on top, 4 on the bottom. 8 times 6, 48. 7 times 6, 42. And so now it's important to notice that we kind of have these lanes going on, and it's these diagonal lines that we created earlier. Each of these lines separates the lane. So this is my 9 lane. This is the lane for the 8, the lane for the 7, for the 4, and for the 6. And what we're going to do is we're going to add up the numbers that are in each of these lanes. So the lane for the 6 here, I only have a 2. And 2 plus nothing equals 2. On the next one, we have 8 plus 4 plus 8, which is 20. We're going to carry the 2 and write the 0. And we're going to carry the 2 on the very next lane. Here we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4, and that is 14. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 is 15. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and the last part we have to do is just highlight these numbers, and students are allowed to have highlighters on the STAR test, because that is our answer. That is our final answer. 4, 5, 4, 0, 2. 45,402.